Good morning class. Welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Adrao Department of Information Technology. Today start 27th lecture on course that is subject data structure using C. Our departmental vision mission statements all are already known. Once again repeated it. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. After the departmental mission statement, in there three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second one is that to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third one is that to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Syllabus for our course, there are total 5 units are there. Already we completed unit number 1 and unit number 2. Unit number 1 and unit number 2 is already completed it. Now we started unit number 3, stacks and queues, for 20 marks. Course outcomes. After the completion of unit number 3, which CO we achieve? Implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. It is the syllabus of unit number 3, stacks and queues, in under 3.1 introduction to stack, 3.2 is the conversion of infix to postfix expression, and 3.3 is introduction to queues. Means in that important 2 points, introduction to stack and introduction to queue. In under on today's lecture, which points are studied? Applications of stack. Okay, means what? On that today's lecture we have to conduct lectures on applications of stack. Applications of stack. Stacks are used where the LIFO, already known what is meant by LIFO, last in first out principle is required, like reversing strings, checking whether the arithmetic expression is properly parenthesized, after that converting infix notation to postfix and postfix notation, evaluating postfix expressions, implementing recursion and functions call, etc. That next point, various applications of stacks are listed below, and this discusses some of these applications. Means in that we say which are the applications of stack. Okay, stacks are the used in this which say principle LIFO, and in which areas we use the stack, those areas are in which area that required the stack application. In that reversing string, and after that expression checking, after that conversion of in postfix, prefix, or any evaluation expression or any recursion function, in these fields stack are used. So these are the applications of stack that are listed in one by one. Means various in a board exam question is asked for 2 marks. List the applications of stack. That time to answer this is, list the stack applications of stack. Anytime a question asked to explain to any 2 applications or any 4 applications, no any question for 4, explain any 2 list the applications of stack and explain any 2, asking for I think 4 marks or 6 marks. That time to list the 4 or 5 listed that applications, in that to explain in brief, then you out of out you will get the out of out marks. Okay, so start our point. Which are the applications? First, reversing a string. All already known what is meant by reversing a string. Okay, means reverse the string. police notations. After that, conversion of infix to postfix expression, evaluation of postfix expression, conversion of infix to prefix expression. After that, sixth one is that evaluation of prefix expression. Seventh application is recursion. Eighth application is backtracking, means game playing, finding paths, exhaustive searching, etc. These are the various applications of stack. But these applications, some applications are explained. In that, first is the reversing a string. What is meant by reversing a string? A simple application of stack is reversing string. This can be achieved very easily by reading the input string character by character and push that onto stack till end of the string is reached. Once all the characters of the string are pushed onto the stack, they are popped one by one. Since the characters last pushed in comes out first, subsequent pop operations results is reversal of the string. In that said that reversing a string, what is meant by reversing string? Your concept is reversing means opposite. Okay. In that stack, what is the function of that stack? LIFO principle is used, means last is first out manner. Okay. So when any strings are pushed on that stack, okay, in that sentence is said as this is to be achieved very easily reading the input string character by character, means are pushed on that stack till your string is complete. Okay. After that, when we push is completed, means inserted that characters one by one on that stack. After that, you pop operation is done, means pop that on stack. Okay. And pop operation function is that is last is first out panel, means which character is last is inputted on that stack, that are out for first, means obviously that principle is reversing a string. So in that said as the last character is pushed out the come out first. So that result is that we will got the reversing of that string. So this is the application under the stack. Algorithm for string reversal. Let str is the character array or string to be reversed. Stack is to be character to the array to store the string. Means in that stack store the original string, and in a str we use for reversing a string. First of all, we set the I is equal to 0. After that, while I less than length of string. In that check, what is the condition is that I less than length of string. First of all, we calculate the length of string. After that, push operation is done, means one by one characters are inputted on that stack. Set I plus plus means that push pointer is incremented by 1. Okay. In that end while, and after that set I is equal to top. When we one by one character is popped on that stack, that time we assign the I is equal to top. After that, in that check while I greater than is equal to 0, when our stack is up to our stack is empty, that time each character will be popped one by one character. In that state as the pop the top element of the stack of I and store it in a str I. Okay. In that stack of I, in that original string are there, that in that on that stack one by one characters are when popped, that time we store in a str another variable. Okay. In that store one by one character. After that I minus minus means we pop the operation, pop operation is used. So your pop increment pop pointer is decremented by 1 by 1 in while, and in that print that reversing string in which variables are stored. In a str variable are stored that reversing string, and that will be display and exit. This is the simple logic, or this is the simple algorithm is used for reversing a string. Clear? The following figure shows the example of reverse a string using stack. In that push operation, it is the pop operation. Okay, one example let's say as using 3 examples you clear your point. In that, this is the input string, this is the character being read, and this is the stack. Okay, for example, your input string is hello. In that character being read, this is your stack. Okay, for example, your stack is already declared by 10 or any type, 10, 8 example. For example, first of all, H will be inputted, character being read. On that stack, H will be stored. After that, E will be stored. After that means it is the push operation is done. Push means one by one characters are inputted on that stack. After that, L, next second L. After that, O means your is hello string is one by one characters are inputted on that stack. After that, we perform the operation pop. Pop means what? One by one characters are exited on that stack or output on that stack. Popped character. So it is the original stack which are inputted stack. Okay, in that pop, and on the stack function is that what is the function? Last in first out. Which are the last character is inputted? O. So will be popped. After that, L will be popped, and that new string means another one variables are declared. On that variables, one by one that new strings will be stored. First of all, store O. After that, L. After that, next popped L. Okay, in that, so that O will be last is inputted, in that first is popped, in that L will be pushed, in that L will be popped. Last third L is the pushed, in that first third L will be popped. Last second one is that inputted, pushed E, that firstly second element will be popped. H, same, means that one by one character will be popped, and you will be get the result in a reverse order, which will be inputted a hello or automatically opposite or reversing the string, and our aim is will be achieve is reversing the string. Clear? This is the program to reverse a string using stack. This is a program in that std conios and string h. These are the header files. You already known str, stdio and conio. These are the header files, standard input output function and console input output functions. String.h is header file used for which purpose? In that we use the standard string functions. Okay, which string function? strlen function is used. So in that declare the variable. In that use the header files string.h. Clear that? Means what? strl, how printf, scanf, these are the functions. Same like strlen is one type of ready-made functions provided by C language. Okay, using this ready-made functions through what will work that using these functions through we calculate that string of length. Okay, no any logic or no any program to done for that calculating for length of string. Ready-made functions are there. For example, it is not in writing your exam, only for understanding purpose I am said that you use Excel. Okay, in that Excel some functions are ready-made functions are there. For example, sum, count, max, min, these are the ready-made functions are there, and that functions through we calculate the answers, not any formula to set that for calculating purpose. Same like in that C language, ready-made functions are there. Using that ready-made functions we calculate the answer, and in that calculate the length of string. Okay, so for that strlen function is used. So header files is used because their error is generated. What is mean by strlen? So in that definition is already set in your header files. So no any ask or no any create the error. Clear that? It is the header files. While push, pop, these are the functions. You already know what is meant by function. Okay, it is the some set of operations are done in a one task, that is known as the function. Okay, means what? In that function 3 types, or how to declare the function in a 3 sequence. three general three types are there, means function definition, function call, function declaration. Okay, these are the function declaration. After that it is the function call. Okay, that push is call. After that, in that pop is call. After that it is a function definition and it is the function declaration. Okay, you already know. And in that function declaration, four types are there, means return value or return argument, or no return value, no argument, or return value, no argument, no return argument. These are the four combinations that types are there, all are already known. On that we use, it is the function no return value but argument, and is the return value and no argument. These function type are used. Clear that push and pop, their two functions are taken. After that, char, stk and str, there are two string variables are taken because we reversing the string are used. Up to we use the only for integer because your operations are performed on numbers, but on that we use the operations are performed on string, so we declare the character. Okay, character is the data type. Data type means which type of data, we use the character or string, so we declare the char data type. Okay, stk is used for your reverse output string purpose, and str for input purpose. Okay, after that, in top is equal to -1 means your pointer for push and pop, that pointer is obviously first of all declared by -1, means is indicated that stack is empty. Void main int char, it is a variable declaration. Okay, these are the declaration for global declaration. Okay, what is the variable declaration? There are two types, global variable and local variable. What is meant by local variable? Local variable means that variable declaration is scope only for that particular function, but global variable declaration is used for in all functions are used. Means what? It is the int in, it is only for accessible void function, but void main function, but these three variables are used in also void main, also in push and also in pop. So it is as a declared as a global variable. Clear that what is my global variable and local variable. So these are the global variables, these are the local variables. After that, clear screen means output window is clear, that printf message will be displayed, enter the string gets str. This is the one type gets is the one type of input function. We already know what is scanf function. Okay, scanf function is also input, gets is also input, but in that why we use the gets function? Because we input the string, means combination of character, no any one character or no any one integer number are inputted, so in that taking a gets function. Okay, means what? For input function gets scanf, same in output function printf and puts. Okay, so in that using through scanf through what will be means using scanf through one character or one numbers are inputted, but we want to all string, means combination of characters, so in that use the gets function. Using gets function all string will be inputted. Clear that why we use the gets function. After that, n is equal to strlen. These are the ready-made functions are taken. Strlen that pass the variable in which variable input will be stored. In a str variable input will be stored, which we given a string. Okay, so that pass it, and number of that string is stored in a n variable, and it is a n is the taken a integer. Okay, because string calculated in a number. After that, I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, these are the conditions are taken in a for loop. Okay, because for loop are taken because loop is used for multiple statements are reduced in one statement. Push, in that push is a call function, means str0, push means one element is inserted when I is equal to +1, str1, another one character is inputted, in that diagrammatically shown. It is str0, str1, str2, str3, str4 like. Okay, in that pushed, means one by one character is inserted on that stack. After that printf, the original string is %s, okay, str. In a str is the character declare, okay. So in that use the %s. In that character, only for a single character, that time to use data specifier %c. But when we display the all string, that time to use %s. Clear that? In a character, okay, or in a string, declare a character that used for also single character and also string. But when we use the data specifier, that time you use %c, that time only for one character will be displayed. But you use %s, means all string will be displayed. For example, string is hello, okay, that hello will be displayed using %s, and we use %c, that time only for display h, because only one single character will be displayed, because h is the first character. So clear that %c and %s both are used for character string, but in difference is that %c is character and %s is the string. After that printf, in that only for messages display, this reverse the string is. It is only for user understanding purpose, message will be displayed on a output screen. After that, for I is equal to top, I greater than is equal to 0, I minus means in that condition is taken, condition is set, I is equal to top, means already your stack is one by one character will be inputted. After that, condition is when we false, when the stack is empty, and I minus means one by one pointer will be decremented. After that, pop z, in that pop function is called and get in a pop definition. In also push is called in get in a push function definition, okay. And in that one by one character will be printf true in a z variable, and get ch means your while main is closed, okay. When in that for loop push function is called, then your pointer will be move in a function definition. In that what top plus plus, okay. In that first of all top -1, that top plus plus means top of 0, stack of 0 ch, okay, that which variables are given. For example, hello in h will be inserted. After that, again condition is true, I plus plus means I of 1 is less than n. For example, n your hello means HELLO 1 2 3 4 5, okay. 0 less than 5, condition is true. So again push function is called, means again we another next character will be inputted. For example, which HE will be top plus 1 means 0 to 1 means stack of 1, E will be inputted. After that, HELLO, these are all our character one by one is inputted, okay. After that, when that here condition is false, I less than n, that time exit in your for loop printf, original message will be displayed. After that, reverse message is only for messages display, that actually your original input also display. After that, for I is equal to top, I greater than is equal to 0, in the condition is check, z is equal to pop means pop function is called, again we pointer go in a pop definition. In that char is equal to temp variables are taken. In that temp, that stack of top, okay. For example, your top will be in 0 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Stack of 5, that character will be stored in a temp. After that, top minus means 5 to 4, okay. After that, again condition is checked, 4 is condition true, 4 is greater than 0, condition is true. So again pop function will be executed, okay. Again in that stack of 4 is stored on that where temp, okay. Return temp means in that we use the return the function. So in that temp values character is return are returned to that printf function using z function. In that return to that z variable, and z variable will be displayed, means on that in the diagram O will be displayed, L, okay. First of all, in that O will be input stored in a temp, return temp z using through z variable, that O will be displayed. After that, which L in that stack of that 3 or anywhere on any that index, that will be first of all stored in this temp. After that, temp will be returned on pop function. Pop function is called in that using through z variables to one by one character will be displayed. Okay, that's like that our function is run. Input for output, for example, enter the string. I am enter the string DSU empty. Then original string is DSU empty and reverse is there TMA and space USB. Clear that? This is the program for reverse a string using stack. In exam, no any question is asked for that reversing string, but in case asked to write a program to reverse a string using stack, is the important. Okay, simple, important. Question is asked for 4 marks, you auto code get. Okay, now we show using turbo C through how will we run it. Okay, using turbo C, how will we run this program? First of all, you all are know how to use the turbo C software. Okay, this is the turbo C++. First of all, I am already done it program. Okay. Only for we compile and run it. And already explaining this program. Header files, these are the function definition, global variable is void main. After that, these are the 2 function definitions. And this function declaration and that function call. Clear? Okay, only for it run it. Suppose compile it, after that run it. The outputs will be, I am showing the output in PPT, that's input I am given. Clear that? Same output will be in your PPT. Okay, how will be that run it? Using F8 function key. Okay, F8 function key or flow of program will be shown. Only for F8 key press. Clear that? Using to turbo C++ through how will be that run the program. Okay. Then second application is that polish notation. That reversing string is completed. Second application, polish notation. An expression is defined as, what is meant by expression? Expression is defined as a number of operands or data items combined using several operators. Okay. One of the main applications of stack is to evaluate the expression. An expression is a series of operators and operands as shown in a below figure. In that shown in the figure, a C is equal to A plus B. A and B are the operands and plus is the operator. What do you mean by operators? Operators indicates the operations to be carried out and operands. Examples of operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, etc. What is meant by operands? They are the values going to be operated. Okay, using through values or that said as the operands. Examples of operands are A, B or 2, 3, etc. Clear that? Means what is meant by operands? Actually value are said as the operands, and operator means what? On that operands, what is the operation will be performed, that is known as operator. For example, on that values we perform the operation plus, then plus addition is the operator. We have performed the operation on that values minus, then minus is the operator. That's like what is meant by operator and what is meant by operands. Clear that? After that, this is the basic concept you already known in your previous semester, but once again repeat it. The way to write the arithmetic expression is known as the notation. The way to write arithmetic expression is known as the notation. What is meant by notation? the way to write the arithmetic expression, that is known as the notation, and the process of placing the operator at a particular place in the expression is called as Polish notation. What is meant by Polish notation? Okay, that the process of placing the operator at the particular places in a expression is known as the Polish notation. This simply expression is known as the Polish notation. Polish notation, also known as a Polish prefix notation or simply prefix notation, is form of the notation for the logic, arithmetic and algebra. After that, the main property of the Polish notation is that the order in which operations are to be performed is fixed by the position of the operators operands in the expression. So what is the main property of that Polish notation means, when we expression is evaluated, that time that position of that operators and operands will be fixed, and this using through positions through we evaluate that expression. That are the main property of Polish notation. The three types of notations for an expression in a Polish notation are explained below. First, prefix notation. What is my prefix notation? If operator symbol are placed before its operand, then it is expression is in prefix notation. What is my prefix notation? The operator symbols are placed before its operand. That is, the prefix notation is notation in which the operators is written before the operand. Okay, means that notations are right in before the operands, that are said to be prefix notation. For example, plus xy. Okay, means this is the operator and operands and first operands. Means what? Plus is the operator, x is the operand 1 and y is the operand 2. Clear that? Well, infix notation. If the operator symbols are placed between the operands, then the expression is in infix notation. Clear that? Means what? In the expression that operator symbols are placed between the operands, that are said to be infix notation. That is, the infix notation is where the operands is written in between the operands. For example, x plus y. X is the operand 1, plus is the operator and y is the operand 2. Postfix notation. What is my postfix notation? If the operator symbols are placed after its operands, then the expression is in the postfix notation. What is the expression is said to be postfix notation? When that operator symbols are placed after the operands. Clear that? That is, the postfix notation on that operands are written after the operands. So it is called as postfix notation. It is also called as suffix notation or reverse Polish notation, shown in below figure. Example, x, y plus means x is the operand 1, y is the operand 2 and plus is the operator. Clear that? In a prefix in a words is indicated. Prefix means first of all operator plus xy. Infix means in a between operator, x plus y. And postfix, post means after, x plus y. Clear that? In using true words, you in mind it. You have to remember that concept. What is meant by prefix, infix and postfix. After given an example, let us consider the infix expression a plus b into c is given for evaluation. To calculate this expression for values, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 7 respectively. In that a, b, c are the operands and plus and multiplication is the operators. And in the a value 4, 3, 5, 7, these are the also operands. Okay, a plus b into c. For example, a value 4, b 3, c 7. 4 plus 3, 7, 7. 77. But it is not a right result. Okay, how we have to follow Bodmer's rules in order to have a right result. Okay, what is meant by Bodmer's rules? Means what? B means bracket, O means order, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Means it is the order how will be calculated or how will be evaluated the expression. Okay, first of all, first bracket, after that order, after that division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This order through we evaluate that bracket, that are the that using through we have to obtain the right result. Okay, since as per the rule the multiplication is to be done before the addition, as it has, so as it is the has higher precedence. Okay, precedence means priority. Okay, in that sense given the some priorities. Okay, first of all we priorities that go through in a bracket. All of you know it is the concept in under the mathematics. In the first year the in under the maths we completed it. Means priority. What is the priority for given? First of all in bracket first priority, after that multiplication, division, that is same priority, after that addition, subtraction, that is same priority. That's like, okay, so in that said as the multiplication is done before the addition is the higher precedence. Means what? In the multiplication is the highest precedence as compared to addition. So in order to evaluate the expression, the knowledge of precedence of operators is must. Okay. Hence, to perform the required task, one may have to use parenthesis to indicate the order in which the values are computed. Okay, means first of all perform the required task, one may be have to use the parenthesis. Okay, because in that two operators are used, so in that parenthesis is must. Okay, so we can write this expression as a plus in parenthesis in bracket B into C. Okay, now we correct answer is that A is value 4, 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 21, sorry, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4, 25. 25 answer is correct answer. Clear that this is the example of what is your Polish notation. Okay, only for you use this and directly this statement. This is not right in your only for your understanding purpose. I am said your question is asked for 4 marks. Explain or list applications of stack and explain applications any two. That time two applications are asking for 2 marks. Okay, so in that not any lengthy answers are write down. Only for list is only for 4 list as 4 or 6 list the applications, means 1 marks there. After that 1.5 marks for one application and 1.5 marks for second application. That one application, that definition is 1 marks and examples of half marks. Okay, so in that list that applications, forget the 1 marks. After that we explain the reversing string. Okay, in that reversing string means that definition, and there it is not a right algorithm. In briefly question is asked reversing the string, that time to write the algorithm, program, output, etc. Okay, so in that only for write the definition, and after that this is the example is write down. Okay, the example is half marks, is the definition is for 1 marks. Okay, after that we write the second question, second application is Polish notation. This is a 1 marks. This also these 3 types are under write down only for 1 marks, and after that is example for half marks. Only for not a writing this all, only for write this statement and this statement. Sorry, this statement means only for show the how will we evaluate the expression. Enough. Okay, means this after that this only for this 2 statement. After that 2 statements you to show means we calculate the expression, sorry, evaluation that expression. Okay, and there is a right in that only for definition. Okay, and in brief question is asked, Polish notation, that time write these also all are write down. Okay, not necessary to write down, because not ask for 4 marks for Polish notation. No, that same like question is asked only for under the means in a assignment add this question, list any 4 applications of stack and explain any 2. Means when we list any 4 applications of stack means this is a 1 marks. Okay, after that explain any 2 means 1 for 1/2 marks, and second is the 1/2 marks means 3 marks, 3 plus 1 4 marks. Okay, sometime ask for 6 marks question, that time it is a 1 marks for application, list of application, and 5 means 2/2 question is asked. Okay, that time also definition and example, definition and example. Okay, and that only for list the any 4 applications of stack. You prepare the maximum 6 applications, list the applications of 6 and 8, and only for explain is 4 applications are prepared, any time asking 2 or any time asking for 4. Okay, maximum asking for any for 2. Okay, this is some point under the 3.1, so not in a focus on that question, only for a question is asked, list any 4 applications of stack and explain any 2. Clear? That is the example summary on that today's lecture. On that today's lecture, which points are learned, which are points are studied, applications of stack in under the reversing a string and Polish notation. This is the homework for you, assignment number 3, 15 and 16 means total 16 questions are there. Okay, hope all of that assignments are completed it. Know anyone that completed it? The students must be completed within that period of time, because otherwise you have to reduce your term marks. Okay. Thank you. Let's stop on today's lecture. In that lectures any doubts arise, then contact with me, no problem. Thank you.